There are about 100 plants classified as Mussaenda, many originating in Africa, Asia, and Malaysia. However, the classification is in flux and is often difficult to run down. Dwarf or yellow Mussaenda has been often classified as Mussaenda glabra. The name is a clue. Glabra means smooth. It has been described as a small plant 3 to 8 feet tall, with smooth stems and leaves, yellow flowers, and one white to pale yellow large petal. It is also semi-deciduous. The large, deep green, elliptical leaves often fall from the plant in the dry season and return when it rains. The flowers are small, bright yellow star-shaped corollas with orange centers, joined by the palest, creamy yellow bracts that look like white wings. The leaves are bright green, prominently veined, and are about 1 inch long. The plant grows approximately 2 to 3 feet. Plant this eye-catching flower shrub in well-drained soil and add some well-rotted manure to it. Water well and do not allow it to dry out. Fertilize once every 2 weeks. It requires little attention. To increase the flower show, try planting with trailing annuals such as Sweet Alyssum, Seldom, or Verbena around the base of the vine. These plants seem to companion well with dwarf Mussaendas. Being small and ever blooming, dwarf Mussaenda will be excellent for container gardening or planted in mass in borders or used as hedges. Great for landscaping as a single decorative specimen or in a group of low-growing plants in home gardens or parks. Attractive to butterflies, bees, hummingbirds, and insect pollinators as a nectar plant.